Honorable Committee, all presenters, and all participants. It is a great pleasure for me to open this presentation by titled Project-Based Arabic Learning Innovation to Improve the Speaking Skills. In this session, I will highlight how project-based approach can transform Arabic language classroom into more dynamic, interactive, and learner-centered environment. Arabic classes have traditionally been dominated by teacher-centered methods, leaving little space for real communication. As a result, students rarely practice meaningful speaking and often rely on memorized rules, which limits their fluency and confidence. This challenge highlights the need for innovative student-centered approach that promotes active participation, authentic interaction, and natural development of speaking skills. Research objective. The study aims to describe the project-based learning innovation in Arabic instruction, include its key principles and activities, explain the planning, implementation, and evaluation process of project-based learning in speaking classes, and analyze the impacts of the student's speaking skill, particularly in fluency, accuracy, confidence, and creativity. Research method. The study use a qualitative descriptive approach to explore the natural implementation of project-based learning in an Arabic classroom. The subject were 1 Arabic teachers and 18 sixth grade students. Data were collected through observation, interviews, and documentation, providing rich and credible insights. The Mills and Huberman analysis, model data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawings was used to organize and interpret the qualitative data. Learning innovation. This learning innovation is based on constructivist theory, encouraging students to build understanding from active, meaningful experience. It promotes authentic communication tasks that strengthen speaking skill and shift instruction from teacher-centered to student-centered. With the teacher as the facilitator, the student become more engaged, and motivated and confident in using Arabic. Now we speak about the Arabic Learning Challenge. The goal is develop communicative competence, enabling them to use the language effectively in real-life interaction. However, achieving this goal is often hindered by several challenges in the classroom. One major issue is the excessive focus on memorization. Many teaching practice emphasize role learning of vocabulary lists, dialogues, and grammar rules. While memorization has its place, it doesn't adequately prepare students to speak Arabic spontaneously or creatively in authentic situations. As a result, students frequently struggle with confidence. They might know the correct from the on structure, feel anxious or hesitant when asked to speak. The lack of meaningful practice opportunity contributes to their low self-assurance and limited fluency. To address this challenge, there is a growing need for communicative and constructive approach This approach encourages active participation, real communication, collaboration, and deeper understanding. By engaging students in meaningful tests and authentic language use, this method can help with both their competence and confidence in speaking Arabic. Project-based learning model. In this study, the project-based learning model was implemented through a mind project in the form of a short Arabic drama. This project required students to work collaboratively to create, practice, and perform a simple drama using Arabic expression relevant to their learning level. The task provides a meaningful context for students to use the language actively and creatively. PJBL model follows three essential stages: planning, implementation, and evaluation. During the planning stage, students brainstorm ideas, selected terms, word script, and organize roles. In the implementation stage, they practice dialogues, develop roles, and research their performance. Finally, the evaluation. Both teachers and students reflected on their project outcomes, assessing language use, teamwork, creativity, and overall performance. Throughout the process, the teacher acts as a facilitator rather than a traditional instructor. Research finding. The finding indicates strong improvement in student Arabic speaking skills. Students become more fluent and accurate in pronunciation, expand their vocabulary use, and show a greater confidence when speaking. The project also enhanced teamwork as students worked collaboratively throughout the drama activities. Assessment data. The assessment data reveal a strong overall improvement in student speaking performance after the implementation of the project-based learning intervention. Out of the 18 students assessed, 9 achieved an excellent rating, demonstrating high levels of fluency, accurate pronunciation, and confident expression. 5 students received a good rating, indicate solid speaking abilities with only minor areas for improvement. Meanwhile, 4 students were categorized as fair, showing progress but still requiring further support in vocabulary, use, and confidence. This result collectively indicate a significant positive impact of the intervention. The majority of students reach higher performance level compared to their initial abilities, confirming that the project-based approach effectively enhanced their speaking skill. Conclusion. The finding of this study led to the conclusion that project-based learning is highly effective in improving student Arabic speaking skill. By engaging learners in meaningful tasks, the PJBL, project-based learning, creates interactive learning experience that support both fluency and accuracy. So drama project, in particular, provides students with opportunities for authentic language use through script writing, research, and performs. Students practice Arabic in real communicative situations, enabling them to apply vocabulary and expression more naturally. In addition to linguistic gains, the project also enhances effective aspect of learning. Students become more confident, motivated, and willing to speak in front of others. They also develop better frameworks, better teamwork, and collaboration skills. Based on this result, PGBL model is recommended for elementary level Arabic learning. It is practical, engaging the student-centered nature makes it valuable approach for fostering communicative competence in your learners. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided meaningful insight and contributes to our sales understanding of how project-based approach can enhance Arabic speaking skill. I welcome any questions, comment, or discussion. Thank you.